everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Well, Bank Nifty has ended for the month of May, registering the monthly closing, and in today's episode हम follow करने वाले हैं एक multiple time frame approach to analyze Bank Nifty and formulate a view for the same for the upcoming trading sessions. And towards the end of the video, हम intraday approach को भी discuss करने वाले हैं on the hourly and 15 minutes chart. तो बने रहिएगा वीडियो के end तक because we are going to be discussing a lot of interesting facts and figures, and make sure that you hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel so that you never miss an update. चलिए, without any further ado, शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो with the monthly time frame of Bank Nifty. On the monthly time frame, करंटली स्क्रीन के ऊपर आपको लाइन चार्ट देखने को मिल रहा है बैंक निफ्टी का, जहां आप देख सकते हैं हमारे पास एक ट्रेंड लाइन यहाँ पर हमने एस्टैब्लिश करी है एंड हियर यू कैन क्लियरली सी how beautifully Bank Nifty has been respecting this particular trend line right over here. अब अगर हम इस ट्रेंड लाइन की बेसिस पर बात करें तो there is still some room left for Bank Nifty to cover on the higher side, which you can clearly see over here. So ये Bank Nifty में एक long term trend line है which I have discussed in the past as well. And अगर हम इस particular trend line के ही update की बात करें तो it's quite evident in front of you that Bank Nifty has been respecting this particular long-term trend line on the monthly charts. Now, line chart सिर्फ closing prices को depict करता है जिससे हमें additional clarity मिल जाती है while looking at the long-term charts. Now, let's switch to the candlestick chart of Bank Nifty. Now, I have zoomed out the candlestick chart for Bank Nifty. So let's start by analyzing the same. Now, first of all, आपको यहाँ पर देखने को मिलेगा that from the month of December onwards, हमें Bank Nifty में एक inside bar setup यहाँ पर देखने को मिल रहा था, which you can clearly observe over here, with the high of this inside bar placed at the levels of 48,636. Further, in the month of April, we saw a breakout of this particular inside bar on the chart of Bank Nifty. And now in the following month, that is the month of May, आप देख सकते हैं that Bank Nifty has closed above this breakout level of 48,636, which means that Bank Nifty is quite stable at these particular levels. Further, अगर हम यहाँ पर currently इस particular setup की बात करें तो आपको देखने को मिलेगा that we have another inside bar on the charts, and here let's mark the range of this inside bar. यहाँ पे you can clearly see that the candlestick which was registered in this month is placed within the range of the candlestick which was registered in the month of April, making it an inside bar setup. अब अगर हम इन levels की यहाँ पर बात करें तो the levels happen to be 46,579 followed by 49,974. And आप देख सकते हैं that in the month of May, we have seen a consolidation within this particular range itself. So what is the current setup indicating? Now, first of all, let's focus on the candlestick of May. अब अगर इस कैंडलस्टिक की हम यहाँ पर बात करें तो इट्स अ डोजी कैंडलस्टिक, बट नॉट जस्ट एनी डोजी कैंडलस्टिक. Such a candlestick with a long lower wick is known as a dragonfly doji candlestick. And see, इसका simply यही meaning है that initially the prices were pulled down by the bears, and you can see that towards the closing, क्योंकि हमें closing इन levels पर देखने को मिली है, so this means that the bulls tried to push the prices on the higher side, and hence this particular wick was formed, which means that the lower levels are being protected in the index. So as an immediate support for Bank Nifty, हम यहाँ पर इस previous breakout level को refer कर सकते हैं, which is the level of 48,636 on the charts. And अगर हम बात करें for Bank Nifty, so here we might see this consolidation going on because this is an already established inside bar setup, and the range also happens to be quite wide, which is 3,000 to 3,500 points. तो हमें बैंक निफ्टी में एक कंसोलिडेशन देखने को मिल सकता है because of this inside bar which is already in play, and if the lower levels keep on getting protected, then हमें बैंक निफ्टी में on the higher side एक further continuation breakout भी देखने को मिल सकता है. And just like we discussed on the line chart of Bank Nifty that there is still some room left to test the long-term trend line, so that view might as well hold out to be true for Bank Nifty's monthly time frame. Further, in any case, if Bank Nifty drags down, then the maximum possible downside जो हम यहाँ anticipate कर सकते हैं, that would be towards the levels of about 44,500 on the monthly charts. Well, weekly charts की अगर हम बात करें, तो जैसे कि हमने लास्ट वीकली मार्केट एनालिसिस वीडियो में डिस्कस किया था दैट बैंक निफ्टी में हमारे पास एक क्लस्टर ऑफ रेजिस्टेंसेस हमें देखने को मिल सकता है एट द लेवल्स ऑफ अबाउट 49,250 एंड यू कैन क्लियरली सी दैट फ्रॉम द सेम लेवल्स हमें बैंक निफ्टी में एक रिजेक्शन देखने को मिला एंड बैंक निफ्टी फेल्ड टू क्लोज अबव द सेम लेवल्स. हियर यू कैन सी that we are seeing a spinning top candlestick at the top. And well, if you want to know more about candlestick patterns, I've made a separate video on the same explaining the 5 most commonly used chart patterns with great accuracy. Don't forget to check it out. Now over here, considering this candlestick pattern, what might be the way ahead for Bank Nifty? चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं दैट हमें बैंक निफ्टी में बैक इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल एज वेल एक रिजेक्शन देखने को मिला था फ्रॉम द सेम हाइज and you can clearly see that the same is getting repeated at the current levels as well. So on the higher side हम बैंक निफ्टी में एक resistance once again establish कर सकते हैं at 49,250 which happens to be a very strong resistance for the index because you can clearly see that Bank Nifty has attempted to cross this level multiple times, but it was not able to do so on a decisive basis or on a sustainable basis. Further, the next resistance for Bank Nifty is placed somewhere at the levels of 49,700. Now from here, हमें Bank Nifty में एक temporary pause देखने को मिल सकता है, जिसके चलते Bank Nifty might as well consolidate within this particular range near the highs itself. And here, only a breakout above the levels of 49,250 would signal strength in the index, जिसके चलते हम higher levels का test यहाँ पर anticipate कर सकते हैं towards the levels of 49,700 followed by the levels of 49,975. And weekly charts पर आप देख सकते हैं that how beautifully Bank Nifty has been respecting the 20 and 40 EMA and हम 20 EMA को यहाँ पर as a trailing support consider कर सकते हैं for the index which currently is placed at the levels of 47,586. On to the daily chart of Bank Nifty, just like we discussed, we are seeing a parallel channel on the charts and यहाँ पर the lower as well as the upper boundary of the parallel channel has been acting up as levels of support and resistance. Now over here हमने last daily market analysis video में discuss किया था that we have a crucial support level at 48,335 and आप देख सकते हैं that Bank Nifty held on to the same. Further, we discussed that if Bank Nifty keeps on holding on to this important level of support and it also coincided with the 20 and 40 EMA, तो हमें यहाँ पर एक positive move unfold करते हुए देखने को मिल सकता है and you can see how beautifully Bank Nifty respected this particular setup जो हमने last video में discuss किया था. So if you haven't subscribed already, do subscribe to not miss out on such setups. Further, चलिए current levels पर अब हम discuss करते हैं what Bank Nifty exactly looks like for the upcoming week. Now here, at the levels of 49,045, हम एक resistance establish करने वाले हैं. And you can see that हमें from this particular level Bank Nifty में over the last 3 trading sessions rejection यहाँ पर देखने को मिल रहा है और Bank Nifty is attempting to cross this level but is unable to do so. So the level of 49,045 as an immediate resistance for Bank Nifty. अगर हमें 49,045 का कोई भी breakout यहाँ देखने को मिलता है, then in that case हम expect कर सकते हैं Bank Nifty to test the level of 49,250 जैसे कि हमने weekly time frame पर भी discuss किया है, which is a major hurdle for the index. And only on crossing this major hurdle on the higher side, हमें extended upside Bank Nifty में देखने को मिल सकती है towards these levels of 49,700 followed by 49,975, just like we discussed on the weekly time frame. Also do remember that हमें from this particular level of 49,700 Bank Nifty में multiple times instances of rejection यहाँ पर देखने को मिले हैं. So we need to be quite watchful of this particular level once Bank Nifty crosses this major hurdle, just like we discussed. Also, you can see that the 20 and 40 EMA are quite closely placed. So for now, we are going to consider the downside for Bank Nifty capped at the 20 and 40 EMA. Now, why I'm saying that is because if in any case हमें Bank Nifty में from these levels of resistances that is ahead of Bank Nifty rejection यहाँ देखने को मिलता है, then in that case maximum downside level for now will be anticipating at 20 as well as the 40 EMA on the daily time frame. Hourly charts की अगर हम बात करें, so on the hourly chart, Bank Nifty is placed above the 20 and 40 EMA, जिन्हें हम as an immediate support consider कर सकते हैं, placed at the levels of 48,828, followed by 48,777. Now over here हमने last daily market analysis video में भी discuss किया था about the level of 49,045 and आप देख सकते हैं that हमें from the same level multiple instances of rejection देखने को मिला है, which is quite clear on the 15 minutes chart. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं that multiple times Bank Nifty attempted to make a breakout at these levels, but आप ये भी notice कर सकते हैं that from the same it faced rejection multiple times. So over here what should be the intraday approach? Firstly, हम यहाँ पर 49,045 के level को as a key level of resistance consider करने वाले हैं. And अगर हमें 49,045 के लेवल्स पर कोई भी ब्रेकआउट यहाँ देखने को मिलता है, देन हम एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं दैट इस ब्रेकआउट के चलते बैंक निफ्टी में हमें 49,250 के लेवल्स का एक टेस्ट ऑन एन इमीडिएट बेसिस यहाँ देखने को मिल सकता है ऑन द हायर साइड. फर्दर आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं दैट बैंक निफ्टी में इट्स प्लेस्ड राइट अबव द सपोर्ट लेवल्स. सो फॉर एनी डाउनवर्ड एक्शन अगर हमें 48,570 के लेवल्स का कोई भी ब्रेकडाउन यहाँ पर देखने को मिलता है, देन हम यहाँ पर एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं दैट इंट्राडे बेसिस पर बैंक निफ्टी अपने मेजर सपोर्ट को वंस अगेन अप्रोच कर सकता है एट 48,335. ओनली बिलो द लेवल्स ऑफ 48,335 मेजर डाउनसाइड action might open up. But for now, जैसे कि हमने daily time frame पर भी discuss किया है that Bank Nifty looks quite stable at the current levels, and on the daily charts as well, Bank Nifty में a positive bias can open up above the same level of 49,045 जैसे कि हमने on an intraday basis भी discuss किया है. So we can say that this level of 49,045 will be the make or break level for Bank Nifty, be it on the daily time frame or the hourly or 15 minutes chart. Now, towards the end, let's discuss the key levels for Bank Nifty, which you can keep handy. The key levels for Bank Nifty on the support side is placed at 48,570, and below this level, the level of 48,335 might get triggered on the charts. And the resistance is placed at 49,250, which is the make or break level for the index, followed by 49,700, which as well is a major hurdle. So let's call it a week, and I hope that आपको आज का ये video informative और अच्छा लगा हो. So make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Comment section में जरूर बताइएगा that आपको आज का ये video कैसा लगा and what is your view on Bank Nifty. And on that note, it's Gurleen signing off. Until we meet again, have a good time.